It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 22nd of December. I'm James Spann. A cold night tonight will be in the 20s tomorrow morning, and then a big warm-up as we approach Christmas. We're expecting highs in the 70s by the time we get to Christmas Day. Here we go. This is the upper air look today. A very, very dry air mass in place across the deep south. We have a northwest flow aloft and pretty much a cloudless sky for all of Alabama and the adjacent states. Temperatures right where they should be, maybe a little below average for the 22nd of December. Some spots in the 40s, Cullman and Haleyville, upper 40s, Birmingham at 53, average high today 55. And again, we're expecting lows in the 20s tomorrow morning. There's the watch warning map, got some winter weather issues back in the western states and also for the northern half of Maine. Some thunder possible. In fact, a little narrow marginal risk on the upper Atlantic coast, the coasts of Oregon and Washington state through tonight. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder in the same general area, maybe some thunder snow for the Sierra Nevada mountains of California. And day 3, which is Friday, again, the chance of some thunder snow for parts of Colorado and Utah, and again, the chance of thunder on the northern half of the Pacific coast. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. A lot of precipitation for the western states. Rain and mountain snow. Excellent drought-busting type precipitation for California. Around here, not much. And keep in mind, this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Amounts generally under 1/4 of an inch for the northern part of the state. That's with showers that could return on Tuesday. We think the better chance of rain just beyond this period Wednesday of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Again, a northwest flow aloft and a sunny day. After starting off the day in the 20s, the high in the low 60s. Very pleasant. Friday, Christmas Eve, a lot of snow in the western states, where they will have a white Christmas. For Alabama, the sky partly to mostly sunny, highs mid to upper 60s as the warming trend kicks in. Christmas Day on Saturday, very mild, highs in the mid-70s, not at record levels, but close. Snow likely for parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, and the northwest United States, parts of New England as well. Look at the anomalies. Got that blowtorch warmth from Texas up to Ohio, but very cold air coming down into Montana, the Dakotas, and Minnesota, and it's brutally cold over western Canada. We got to watch that. That air will move at some point. But for now, the upper air winds will not allow that. Sunday, the day will be sunny, will be close to 70. Next week, same thing. This is Monday. Tuesday, moisture increases. There might be a few little isolated showers about. And a week from today, Wednesday the 29th, I got a southwest flow aloft here and a front approaching with a chance of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder for the northern half of the state. Again, that's a week from today. We'll go out 10 days, Saturday, the 1st of January, 2022, New Year's Day. Upper high over the Gulf, big trough in the west, and again, evidence of ice here. Look at that for Tennessee and Arkansas and Oklahoma. I'm telling you, you got to watch that cold air, but for us, we just have some cool type rain showers if this works out, and this is 10 days out. This could easily change. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. Evidence we're going to see more precipitation as the new year begins. The mean about 3 inches between now and the 6th of January. Peak will be, in terms of the warmth, will be Christmas Day, 74. How about that? Highs will likely stay above 70 through Tuesday, then backing down a little bit, but not much for the rest of next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for December 30th through January 5th. Very cold in the western half of the country, but for the southeast, temperatures still above average, although that cold air is getting closer. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a 3rd grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.